Hi, welcome to Prospects. In this video, we will be learning how to use the Facebook Auto Friend Request Center extension. From your tool page, just head over to the Google Chrome Store. From the Chrome Store, all you need to do is add to Chrome, add extension. It'll take a few seconds to load. Once the extension is added successfully, it'll appear out here. All you need to do is pin it. The extension will then ask you to move to any Facebook page. All you need to do is go there, simply refresh the page. And a sidebar will appear out here looking something like this. Next, you'll be required to authenticate the extension using your account key and your email address. You will be able to find the account key over here. Simply copy it, go to the extension, paste the account key, add your email address, and click on authenticate. Once the authentication is successful, you will be required to add all the Facebook profile links out here to which you would like to send across a friend request. So what this extension is going to do is it'll go to the first profile, send across a friend request, then have certain waiting period anywhere between 1 to 20 minutes, and then move on to the next profile, and then again send a friend request to that profile. You can either add a complete link to the profile's URL, you can add a partial link, you can add the ID, profile ID of that particular person you'd like to send across a friend request, or just a username. Any of them works out here. Let's take an example of this profile. I'll paste some profiles that I've handpicked earlier. As you can see in the background that I'm not a friend of this one, and I have added a username out here. Let's click on start, and this shows that the friend request has been sent. So let me open this page in a new tab to see the results. So once the page is loaded successfully, you can see that the request has been sent already without me having to do it manually. So this extension is going to help you send friend requests automatically in the background. So you don't need to be live all the time and do it manually. It'll happen automatically. Even if you close that particular tab on which you are on, the extension will keep running in the background on the main tab which you had started. And even if you happen to close the Chrome, the extension will pause wherever whatever the last request was sent, and then you can resume from there. On one single machine, you will be able to use the extension only on one profile. However, if you can use that same extension across multiple machines on different accounts. Well, that's all for today's post, guys. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Also, we have some other tools that helps you scrape Facebook groups. Check out in the videos below. Thanks. Bye.